Oh, shit.
Nice.
Oh my God.
Good evening, Rock Nation. I am Astor, your PT on the go, and I am a chiropractic specialist. Kasama ko ngayon sa Project 8 si
Vivian.
Vivian.
It's a
Kamusta po
Vivian.
ang pinaka nagiging concern nyo sa katawan?
Yan, yung mga pagmamanhid ng kamay ko,
Gaano po kadalas yan?
at lagi. Kasi syempre,
Lagi pa po ba kayong
yan, parang naninigas na siya. And then yung aking likod.
laging ngalay?
Yeah, dito. Yan. Yan.
Physical test, posture up, ngayon sa right. Yan. Ano po yung masikip? Ano po yung maluwag?
Pareho.
Parehang ano?
Parehong masikip siya.
Parehang masikip. Hindi po masyado?
Masakit.
Masakit.
Ouch!
Yan.
It's
Saan
ouch
po yung
eh.
masakit? More of
Hanggang
here.
dito.
At saka dito. Oh, yan. Unstable na po yung support ng ating junctions spine, no? Yung junction ng lumbar to thoracic, junction ng ating cervical spine to thoracic right here. Mabigat po ba? Masikip?
Yes, masikip sobra. Oh my God, din na siya.
Okay. Masikip? Ito po yung normal side.
Oh my God, ouch.
Yan. Oh, medyo
Oh my
masikip na
goodness.
talaga.
Yeah.
Hindi na rin. Kamusta po ito?
Masakit hanggang dito, oh. Sa
Hanggang
legs,
dyan.
dito.
Okay. Meron po tayong misaligned right here. More on left lahat. Okay?
Yes po.
Meron
Masakit.
tayong slight scoliosis ng konti.
Oh my
Okay?
gosh.
Gusto po yan? Masakit, mabigat?
Yes
Sige.
po.
Mabigat din?
Yes.
Okay. So, very good. Nothing more. Very good. Very good.
Oh, shit.
Nice one. Tigas po ito. Good.
Ah!
Nice one. Very good. Nothing. Very good. Yan. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Excellent. Nice. Wow. Tignan niyo po yan. Mas nag-glide po ba?
Yeah.
Wow. Tignan niyo po yung rotation. Mas naitataas niyo na.
Mm-hmm.
On the chest. Nice. Excellent. Nothing. Very good. Nice one.
Oh.
Relax ang shoulder. Shoulder down. Very good. Nice. Ito ay sobrang tight. Okay? Nice one. Good. Yep. Good. Nice. Right there. Nice one. Nice.
Oh. Wow, wow, wow. Ang dami tumunog.
Good. Nice one. Very good. Okay, nothing. Very clear. Very good.
Oh. Ang dami.
Nice one. Very clear.
Ang dami.
Purple. Bone. Lyric. Nice one. Last one. Very good. Nice. Very good.
Oh my gosh. Sarap.
Nice one. Nice. Good. May difference?
Meron, kasi
Number
di ba
5?
kanina napansin mo gumagano na
Yes,
ako.
pangiling
Ngayon,
kayo.
kaya ko na siya.
Very
Mer-
good. How's this one? Very good. Ay,
Kanina,
kanina.
nung
may
ginagano
pain.
ko may nangangalan.
Something here.
Oh, pero wala na siya.
Very good. Very good. Mas okay po ito, no? Kaysa sa kabila. Last stretch. Nice. Last one here. Nothing more. Good. Snap lang natin, no? Good. Nice. Snap. Nice one. We're
V.
done with Tita V. Basta po ang
Ay, ito pala.
pinaka-experience nyo.
Maang yung ano, as you see, hindi na siya mabigat. The best. Try nyo. Gumangan pakaramdam ko.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.